In a village woven with countless tales and traditions, there stood a small but venerable workshop known for its exquisite tapestries. The weaver, an artisan named Theo, was praised far and wide for the depth and beauty of his work, each piece a testament to his skill and the rich history of his craft. As the world around the village began to change, with new inventions transforming the fabric of daily life, a curious machine was brought to Theo's workshop. This machine, powered by something the villagers called AI, promised to weave tapestries faster and more efficiently than any human could. Initially wary, Theo watched as the machine produced tapestries at a pace that astounded him. Yet, as he observed, he realized that while the machine's works were technically flawless, they lacked the soul and story that his own weavings carried. The machine could replicate the patterns, but not the passion. Inspired rather than disheartened, Theo saw an opportunity. He began to collaborate with the machine, using its speed and precision to bring to life designs he could only dream of before. Theo infused these creations with his artistic vision, blending tradition with innovation. The new tapestries were unlike anything the village had seen, complex and beautiful, yet imbued with the warmth of Theo's touch. The village learned that the machine was not a rival but a partner, extending the boundaries of what their traditional crafts could achieve.